Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Today is 17th of June 2021, and today we'll be trading the Volatility 25 index. This is our second strategy. We'll be trading both the rise and fall, depends on the movement of the indicator we are using in this strategy. And as you can see, I'm using the derivative interface and I'm in dark mode. If you like to change your interface to dark mode, all you have to do at the down right corner, you click on the platform settings and you click on dark mode, and that's all. So I've logged in. You visit derivative.com, log in, and on the top left corner you choose the D trader. You click on the D trader. So once you click on the D trader, you change the trade to Volatility 25 under the synthetic index, and you click on Volatility 25. This is our second strategy for today. For those who haven't subscribed to all our channels, this is a link to subscribe to all our channels right here. We will paste all this in the video description on YouTube, so just subscribe to all our 3 channels for the strategy will be dropping today and more upcoming updates. We'll get back to this later. So once you choose the Volatility 25 index, all you have to do is to go to the indicator. Right there you click, make sure you are on D trader for you to be able to see all this. You go to indicator, then you go to volatility, then you click on Bollinger Bands. So once you click on it, you will see one active. You can see that's it right there, Bollinger Bands. Then you go to the chart types, you click on chart types, then you change the time interval to 1 tick. So once you change the time interval to 1 tick right there, you go right there at the right top corner area, you change the trade types to rise and fall. You click on rise and fall. Once you click on rise, it's under ups and down. You have to be under the all, so for you to be able to see all this. So you click on rise and fall. Once you click on rise and fall, you set the ticks to 2 ticks. You set the ticks to 2 ticks. It's going right up there. Let me click on purchase. Let's quickly wait for the outcome of that. So we might lose that one. Okay, we lost that one. That's our second. That's the first loss there. We won the first one. We lost that one. In rise and fall, you always encounter both profit and losses. So let me just type this. The number of trades we've traded 2 times. We've won 1 and we lost 1. So far maybe you have a target of trading 10 times. If you follow this strategy, you end up in profit after the 10 trades. So let's proceed. Once you do that, you click on 2 ticks right there. You change this to 2 ticks, then you enter your amount you are willing to stake. Then you make sure you mark allow equals. So what you are going to be working with is the movement of these red edges. You can see the circle here. You can see the movement, the ups, the down. You can see the way it's moving up, the way it's moving down. So if it's going up with speed, we are going to click on rise. If it's going down with speed, we are going to click on fall. If the movement is sluggish, we have to wait. So let's go for one trade. Let's wait and watch. You can see the movement is sluggish. You can see it is pushing right up with speed. You click on rise. The speed is not enough there, but let's just wait for the outcome of that trade. You can see we won that trade. There. So if it's going right up with speed, we click on rise. If it's falling down with speed, we click on fall. So let's watch. You can see it's falling down there. Let me just number of trades 3. Then we've won 2. Yeah, so let me go back here and okay, it's going up. Okay, right up there. Let me close all this and close all that. So you can see we want that trade again. You want that. You have to be fast when clicking all these buttons. You have to be fast. It's going up. That's our fourth trade and our third win. That's our third win. Let's go back again and watch. Let me close this. Pushing up. Let's go for fall this time. Okay, as it drops down there. Okay, you can see we want that trade again, so you have to be fast with it. You can see I'm very fast with all this clicking, and make sure you have a strong internet connection if you are using this strategy. You can see we placed 5 trades and we won 4 and we lost just 1. We won 4, and the reason why we lose 1 is because the movement of this indicator was slow. On our first loss there, the movement was sluggish, it was zigzag, but you can see all the 4 trades we won, the movements were so fast, and we quickly click on the rise and the fall button. So as stated earlier, when it's falling down with speed, you click on fall. When it's going up with speed, you click on rise. And we already stated in rise and fall, you will always encounter some losses, but you will surely end up in profit when you place many trades. So make sure you have enough funds in your account when trading rise and fall. The good thing about rise and fall is the profit percentage is always very high. It's almost 100%. You can see right there 95.33%. so if you place 10 trades and you even win 7 or 6 trades and you lose 4 trades, you will still end up in profit. So that's a good thing about rise and fall. All you have to do is to just master the strategies when using them. We'll be dropping 3 rise and fall strategies today, and briefly before we end this strategy, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, the boat right here. The version 6.1 is out and it's still very effective. All you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. It's just 6.1 US and 9.99 USD. Sorry. You can make payments using Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Web Money, bank transfer, debit card, and other payment options. And the Pip Stripper boat as well is a second boat. It's also automated and it works on both Deriv and binary.com interface, and you can see some of the results on binary.com. We stated earlier in our emails we sent to all traders, when using our boats, don't run the boats continuously. Don't be greedy. Don't send us email that you are experiencing huge losses because you fail to follow the instructions. Make sure you run the boats for some certain period of time. If you place 5 or 6 trades and you are making profit, just stop the boat. After some few hours, run the boat again. Don't be greedy, because the algorithm, the way their algorithm works, this broker platform, the way they manipulate, the way the algorithm works is somehow. So you have to you have to follow all the instructions. And when trading, don't close your tab, don't minimize your tab. Always stay on that tab. Don't close your tab. Don't minimize it. Don't move to another tab. Just stay on the tab until you finish your trade. So that's how to run the boats effectively. That's how to run them. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming updates and strategies. Just subscribe to. These are the links again. You can see the links to order the Pip Stripper boat. Is a link, and is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. We'll paste all this in the video description on YouTube. And this is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies and updates. Just subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. So let's quickly do the maths. Let's see what we made right here. That's 11.44 on each trade as a profit. If you do the maths right there, 11.44 times 4, that's 45.76 minus 12 USD stake of the one loss. So we made 33.76 in just 5 trades. So we make 33.76. So you can go on and on and on. Thanks for watching. Bye.